In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Steam account permanently. This process removes your profile and access to your library, purchases, inventory items, community content, and any remaining wallet balance. So only proceed if you're absolutely sure. If you just need a break, consider simply logging out and securing your account instead. If you're set on deletion, here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and going to help.steampowered.com. This is the official Steam support website, and everything we're doing today happens here. Make sure you're on the genuine site before you continue. Next, sign in to the Steam account you want to delete. Enter your username and password, and complete any security checks like a code sent to your email or mobile app. It's important that you can access the email and phone number linked to the account, because Steam may use them to verify ownership during the process. Once you're signed in, look for the My Account section. From there, choose Manage Account Details. This page contains settings and privacy controls specific to your profile. Scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Delete My Steam Account. Click that to open the dedicated deletion page. On the deletion page, click Proceed to Account Deletion. Steam will display warnings to make sure you understand what you're giving up. Take a moment to read them carefully. Deleting your account means losing access to your games and DLC, saved wallet funds, and community items like trading cards or cosmetics associated with the account. These items can't be recovered after deletion is finalized. Before you can submit the request, Steam may ask you to verify that you're the owner of the account. This could involve confirming your email, your phone number, or certain payment details that have been used on the account. This step protects you by preventing unauthorized deletions. Have access to your inbox and your phone so you can respond quickly to any codes or prompts. Finally, complete and send the deletion request to Steam support. Fill out the required fields accurately and submit the form. After you send it, keep an eye on your email for updates from Steam support. They may follow up with additional verification or confirmation. Respond promptly to any messages to keep the process moving. And that's it. Visit Steam support, sign in, navigate to My Account and manage account details. Choose Delete My Steam Account, proceed through the warnings, verify your ownership, and submit the request to Steam support. Take your time with each step and only proceed when you're confident you want the account permanently removed.